you believe that a single technique allows you to detect and diagnose diseases as different as tuberculosis, malaria, Chagas disease, that the same technique will allow you to check for food and water quality, to detect genetically modified foods and seeds? Yes, this technique exists and it's called PCR. It stands for polymerase chain reaction. It's a very versatile technique that currently is the backbone of modern molecular biology. It has been awarded a Nobel Prize. However, it's not widely spread. Why? Because currently it's very difficult to perform by non-trained personnel, and the devices it needs are very expensive. As a solution to this, we offer LavaAmp, a portable PCR machine. What does it do? Well, it detects and amplifies a specific DNA sequences and xerox it billions of times, so we can detect that huge amount of DNA and determine whether a specific virus or bacteria or fungus or whatever you're looking for it's in a sample. But what's the use of this? As I said before, it allows you to diagnose very different diseases and to detect pathogens in food and water. However, there is more than this. We're filming this pitch on the outside because we want to show that with a device like this that you can hold in your hand that works on batteries or solar power, you can take biology out of the laboratory and closer to people, closer to what people currently needs. With this, you could take it to your animals on the farm and detect whether they have foot and mouth disease or any other disease that you're looking for, instead of having to send the samples to a laboratory. You can save a lot of this. You can detect if a new plague that you're concerned is affecting your crops. You can detect pathogens and bacteria on your local water supply. There are many things that you can do once you take biology out of the laboratory and you take it to people. We're not selling here only the idea of a cheap device. We want to change the way that regular people relates to biotechnology. We want to improve the access. We want to build a whole infrastructure based on devices like this that enables new kinds of business models that of very small companies that solve local needs locally instead of relying on gigantic biotech and pharmaceutical companies to solve their local problems. We think that we can change this starting with LavaAmp.